Do it again. Chalo. All right. Oops. All right. So if you remember from our last class, I also shared these. I should delete this. Huh? हाँ हाँ ये क्या है ठीक है and ठीक है मेरा सर फट रहा है क्या हो रही क्या हो रहा है ठीक है all right so we were talking about a lot of things also a few questions so we were generally talking about बहुत कर लिया acids and alkalis what's an acid what's an alkali साद आप सही है ये बहुत खराब हो रहा है यार एसिड में माइनस होता है ना नहीं Okay, chalo. H plus ions are generally will produce, the definition of an acid is that it will produce H plus ions. ठीक है, just already. ठीक है, I hope you guys can see okay. ये पहले का है आपने कॉपी किया हुआ होगा I already shared it to you on Google Drive. ठीक है, तो an acid is something because active ingredient, you guys understand the term right? क्या होता है? सब कुछ मिला हुआ था but जो काम की चीज होती है वो होता है the active ingredient and active ingredient for acids is the H plus ion. That's what makes acid an acid. सारे काम तमाशे ही करता है. Very reactive, makes acids very corrosive. Whereas alkali is something that produces an OH ion, which is also very reactive. ठीक है, फिर हमने pH scale की बात की थी, where acids generally lie. 7 water होता है, that's the middle ground. What is the pH scale? Where's my pH scale? 0 to 14. Where's my pH scale? Yeah, this is my pH scale. 7 पे, it's neutral. ठीक है. The stronger the acid, the lower the pH. Whereas the stronger the base or the alkali, the what do you call it? Higher the pH. ठीक है. Let's continue on from this point. Can I? Oh, yeah. Okay. So let's look at a closer look at an acid versus an alkali reaction. ठीक है, ये पहले हम कर चुके हैं, but I'm just reiterating it. Slightly important. An acid is something that produces, अभी मैंने बोला क्या? H plus ions. And an alkali is something that produces OH ions. These ions are very reactive, and when they meet each other, what are they going to do? They're going to react and form what? Water. This particular reaction is called a neutralize. This is an ionic equation for a neutralization reaction. Because जब acid और alkali react करते हैं, acid has a very low pH, and alkalis have high pHs. And when they react and neutralize, the H plus is making the pH go down and the OH ions making it go up. जब neutralize होता है, ये दोनों चले जाते हैं इसमें से. And the pH, if they're equally balanced out, the pH of the solution will go to 7 because it's turning into water. Neutralize हो गया. Yes? I'm sorry. So here's a reaction where this is happening, which is sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Now these are colorless solutions. पानी के तरह दिख रहे होते हैं. आप अपना हाथ एक हाथ hydrochloric acid में डालें, दूसरा हाथ NaOH में डालें. दोनों बहुत बुरी तरीके से जख्मी हो जाएंगे. And if you go to a doctor, he won't be able to tell कौन सा तेजाब में आपका खराब हुआ है हाथ और कौन सा alkali में हुआ है. They behave very similarly, very corrosive. They're very corrosive to each other, right? But when you mix it, neutral हो जाएगा. लेकिन साथ मिलाते हैं तो neutral हो जाता है. It's kind of like this. मीठा और कड़वा मिलाएंगे तो दरमियाना सा टेस्ट आएगा. That's one thing. But यहाँ पे something like what's happening is दो कड़वे चीजों को मिलाओ और एकदम से it's cancelling each other out. That's what's happening. आप पी सकते हैं. It's gonna make NaCl and H2O. What's NaCl and H2O? Salt water. So when you mix it together, it's just namkeen pani and you can drink it. Acid कहाँ से आता है? I think it's just produced anyway. I don't know. Like you take chlorine and you throw it in water, it turns into an acid because it ionizes, reacts with hydrogen. Sulfuric acid? You make it. You take sulfur dioxide gas, you turn it into sulfur trioxide. It's a whole process, and you produce it. But different acids come at different places. Normally, acids will be in fruits. Acids, mein, generally, the flavor is sour, khata hota hai. Not this acid, but generally acidic nature hoti hai, khata sa taste. So, aap neemu वगैरह खाते हैं, सिरका खाते हैं, they're all acidic food. तेजाबियत हो जाती है ना? You're eating a lot of those खट्टी चीजें. Oranges are acidic. Citric acid. Anything vitamin C related, citric acid. Khata taste, strong khata taste. You're not supposed to? Why? It's scurvy. I don't think you can be allergic to vitamin C. Maybe too much. Yeah. Damn, man. What do you do to? Because vitamin C is very. Okay. No, because of ulcers. That resulted in ulcers. Yeah. Okay. But how do you compensate for the lack of vitamin C? Vitamin C. Okay. All right. Okay, NaOH on the other hand, that color is not showing up. NaOH on the other hand is very bitter, kadwa, right? And कभी आपके मुंह में no, it's NaOH, not NaCl. नमक is नमकीन. NaOH is a base we're talking about. It's an alkali. This is an acid. This is an alkali. Achha. NaOH. If you really want to know what an alkali tastes like, if you've ever licked soap, that's what it tastes like. Very soapy taste. The distinct flavor of soap is because of the base in it, not soap itself. ठीक है. तो थोड़ा उसकी pH कम होती है और जरासीम को मारने में आता है. ठीक है. किसकी? So pH like 7 के बाद क्या होता है? 8. 7.5, 8. क्या है? बहुत कम होती है. pH is pH is also something different from a strength of an acid, which हम बात करते हैं. Concentration आप बढ़ा देंगे वो वही acid की तो वो आपको, you know, you can melt bones in it वाली बात. You know, like क्या होता है? Have you guys seen Breaking Bad? They take some acid and make this guy disappear. No, they kill a guy. Breaking Bad, if you know about the show, it's a drug dealing. What was that? The main guy is a chemist, right? So what he does is he wants to make a body disappear. So acid का पूरा can like he throws the body in there, dead body, and वो guy खत्म हो जाता, just gone. Gets the right acid. So now something stupid. What is assistant who's not educated? He dropped out of high school. Like not that's like he's very funny otherwise. He's very, but Jesse Pinkman, right? What he does is he's like वो plastic के डब्बे मंगवाता है. Because plastic is very inert to attacks by the H+ ion. तो वो कहता है इसमें करके करो और चले आता है. Jesse is like इतना strong acid जहाँ पे हम body dissolve कर रहे हैं और fumes वगैरह निकल रही हैं. इस प्लास्टिक के बिल्कुल डब्बा होता है, इसमें आगे डालूंगा, इसमें कैसा है खत्म कर देगा. तो व्हाट ही डज इज बाथ टब में डाल देता है. Now bath tubs is tile sort of material, ना? It's all calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a very strong, reacts very violently with acids, which is one of the reactions which we did on Friday. Carbonates यूं खत्म होता है, वो पूरा फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे किया था, पूरा फ्लोर गल गया, खत्म, बाथटब गिर गया नीचे. Because the acid just ate everything. It was a lot of strong acid. So yeah, your toothpaste is not acidic on purpose, and that's why if you eat chini वगैरह की चीजें, or especially like if you eat citric food which has strong acidity in it, you eat it, but over time 5-10 minutes में you swallow and whatever वो सब clean हो जाता है. But if you have food with sugar in it, तो शुगर क्या होता है, बैक्टीरिया इंक्रीज करता है, and bacteria takes that sugar and converts it into different acids. And वो, because what's your bone is what? Calcium what? A lot of calcium, but it's not carbonate, but it's some calcium oxide or something, which can easily react with acids and dissolve. That's why you get cavities. So your teeth go in. So your toothpaste is always alkaline, and to match that bitter flavor, they put a lot of mint in it, right? Otherwise, what करो होगा toothpaste? So they on purpose make it alkaline because आपके मुंह में जितना alkali आप फेंक दें, आपके दांत को कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Because the calcium in it doesn't react with it. So your mouth पूरा गलने शुरू हो जाएगा, Listerine and whatnot. But acids will destroy your teeth. Calcium oxide, I think that's what's bone made of. But I know biologists. Calcium and what? Calcium in what state is it in? Calcium is just a metal, no? तो tin के होते हैं फिर हमारे दांत. Calcium is ionic form में होता है. जैसे calcium carbonate ईंट में होता है. Marble में calcium carbonate होता है. तो calcium की एक और form आपके दांत में होती है. I think calcium oxide होता है or something. But it doesn't matter too much. Bio में important होगा. ठीक है. People online maybe they know. No one's answering this. Fahad's like interesting. Fahad, you're paying attention. What a blue moon of a scenario right now. Hi Ashwin, how are you? Hi Hayden. किसका? बताया था नहीं पता. उसी वक्त check. आप भाग गए थे ना? You got decent marks. Okay, let's continue. All right, I want to continue this debate and talk about a strong acid and a weak acid. What's a strong acid, ladies and gentlemen? Strong acid क्या होता है? Weak acid क्या होता है? बताइए बताइए. ओए ओए ओए. आला. What's a strong acid? What's a weak acid?
Strong acid is more concentrated of that.
That's the thing. It has very little to do with concentration. You can have a strong acid, बहुत dilute amounts में, which will act as a weak acid, like it won't do anything. But that's not what we mean by strong and weak acids. We mean something else when we say strong and weak acids. What do we mean, people? Sir, before I forget, I was absent the day of the test. I have told the school reason from the email. All right. I think you were absent. Okay. When was the test? Okay, the FAD. Huh? Yeah. दो हफ्ते पहले टाइम हो गया है. ठीक है. Okay, strong acid. Why do we leave it open? Sorry. Acha. Strong acid is something that fully ionizes. What do I mean by ionized? Saad, do you know? And a weak acid is something that will partially ionize. Equation कैसे पता होगी? देखिए ना, acid is something that turns into an H plus ion. ये H plus हो रहा है तो दूसरी की तरफ क्या है? ये चीज बस टूट रही है दूसरी तरफ. No? It's H and Cl. यहाँ पे minus and plus minus one है. Minus क्यों है? Minus इस वजह से because groups are ये तो हमेशा minus होता है ना. हाँ, you find this very confusing. CH3 COO minus and H plus. अभी equation को आप मैं उल्टा भी लिख सकता हूँ जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, doesn't really matter. ठीक है. Now a weak acid. Saad, Kashan, do you know why is it a weak acid? People online try typing. Remind me why it's a weak acid. Okay. ठीक है. Sorry यार मैं भी जाहिल हूँ एक नंबर का. हाँ बोलो. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't fully ionize. हाँ? देखिए ना, इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं आयनाइजेशन. ये मॉलिक्यूल होता है आयंस में बन रहा है. ठीक है. तो अगर आपके पास 100 मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के, तो ये बनाएगा 100 हाइड्रोजन आयंस और 100 क्लोरीन के आयंस. क्लोरीन के आयंस don't really matter too much right now, but ये पूरे बनाएगा. All of this will turn into this and react if the chance is given. So this will fully ionize. Fully ionizes. COO क्या मैंने ये वाली चीज? This is what it looks like. देखो हाइड्रोजन नॉर्मली कोवलेंटली बॉन्डेड होता है ना, खुद एक्ट नहीं करता एज एन एसिड. ठीक है. लाइक पानी में जाता है, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन को कुछ नहीं होता. आई एम ट्राइंग टू ड्रॉ दिस पर्टिकुलर मॉलिक्यूल का स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. We'll study this in detail when we start organic chemistry. But just because ये molecule आ रहा है, I'll just talk a bit about it. इस टाइप की जब अरेंजमेंट होती है ना, COOH करके, इस टाइप के जब होता है ना, तो ये वाला हाइड्रोजन is susceptible, सारा नहीं होता, but it's susceptible to act as an acid and निकल जाता है यहाँ से, जब पानी में डालता है. It somewhat ionizes, as opposed to यहाँ पे जो फौरन निकल जाता है, and also as opposed to these hydrogens जो completely covalently bonded है and do not act as acids at all, कभी भी. ठीक है. But this particular case में hydrogen थोड़ा बहुत acid की तरह काम करता है. This is why Saad said it will partially ionize. And it ionizes as a equilibrium reaction, where the rate of the forward it ionizing and the rate of it not ionizing and turning back into the original molecule is the same. And that ratio is more or less about 7% of these ions at most will ionize. Let me erase this. So what does that mean by 7%? If you have 100 molecules of this, you'll have 7 molecules of ions present at a time for every 100 molecules. Yes. So you hold on, but reversible reactions, yeah. Okay. But it doesn't matter. Reversible reaction is like treating something that's not completely like ये दोनों हैं एक solution में, and one side, whatever side is favored more, वो वाली चीज आता है, and this side is favored more. ठीक है. Now let's take a closer look at how a strong acid and a weak acid work. What makes a strong acid, a weak acid, a weak acid? Now, Ayla mentioned concentration, and last time we mentioned concentration as well. The concentration strength of it, like कितना वो stable पे जितना यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे फेंक दूँ ना फ्लोर पे, तो जितनी उसकी concentration ज़्यादा होगी, itna damage it will make, and itna gases will go out and whatever, right? But weak acid will do something differently, and let's try to figure it out by reacting hydrochloric acid with HCl. No, hydrochloric acid with calcium carbonate. This reaction takes place. Can you guys predict what this reaction is going to look like? क्या equation इसकी होगी? Kashan, what do you think? Do you think you can create this equation? ये reaction कैसा होगा?
सर इसके प्रोडक्ट्स पूछ लेंगे
क्या?
इसके प्रोडक्ट्स पूछ लेंगे
हाँ, क्या बनेंगे products इसके? How do we know? ये क्या?
CaCl वाटर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड
Right. How do you know carbon dioxide बन रहा है?
and acid reacts with carbonate. It
Yes.
forms-
This is an acid reaction with carbonate. You go, such a carbon dioxide, water, and a salt will be produced. And you use that information to write this equation down. Okay. The part to focus on is, let's say you have 1 mole of calcium chloride. Okay. And you want to figure out kitna volume of acid is required. I say volume because acids will never be pure. They will always be in concentrations. So let's say the concentration of this acid is 0.5 moles per decimeter cube. I hope you guys remember how to do calculations. We've never done it together. By concentration on calculations. The other class seemed fine with it. Okay. So how much volume do I require? Can we figure that out? What is the volume required? So to do this calculation, what I'll do is I'll realize भाई कितने moles मुझे चाहिए इसके neutralize करने के लिए? दोनों के बीच में ratio है 1:2. हाँ? No, 2 moles. Because
2 dm.
the recipe, if you remember, is telling me 2 moles, right? Because यहाँ पे for every 1 calcium carbonate, you require 2 HCl. So for every 1 mole, you require 2 moles. अब मुझे 2 moles चाहिए. 2 moles मुझे कितनी concentration में मिल जाएंगे? I'll use the formula C equals to N over V, where my concentration is 0.5, my moles are 2, my volume is unknown. And I realize my volume comes out to be 4 decimeter cube. 2 over 0.5, 2 over half is, yeah. Does that make sense to people?
Your point five.
0.5. Can I move on? Hmm? Yeah, today's lecture. Huh? We'll go over the entire time. Kitna time है हमारे पास? 15 more minutes, huh? More. Okay. 0.1 mole per decimeter cube है. Yeah. Oh, I did promise that. Chalo, let's try to wrap this up, then end it. ठीक है? Okay, concentration is. इसकी बताएं जल्दी से concentration. Please help me. निकालना. Take out your calculator. बस ही निकालना. But यहाँ पे value change हो गई है.
Moles 0.1 हो गया.
Yes, no. C 0.1 हो गया. Moles आपके वही 2 हैं. B आपको calculate करना है. So 0.1 equals to moles is 2 and volume is 1.
2 is equal to 0.1.
क्या आ रहा है आपका 2 over 0.1? Isn't that easy to do? ठीक है. Do you notice the difference? 4 decimeter, 20 decimeter cube. Right? Concentration कम कर दी. अब दिखने में ये कैसा होगा? अब reaction will also take place very slowly for the second case. Can someone tell me why? Yes. Yes. Because you are taking a lot more water. 4 times the amount of water में hydrochloric acid है. The same amount of hydrochloric acid in the 4 times amount of water. Because if you're, what this means is 20 decimeter cube में you have 2 moles of water present. Whereas यहाँ पे 4 decimeter cube में you have 2 moles of water present, right? So this will be a very slow calm reaction because concentration is way lower. यहाँ पे concentration is way higher. This will be more reactive, more violent reaction, more volatile, steam वगैरह सब कुछ, you know, proper show होगा. But this doesn't mean it's a weak acid. This doesn't mean it's a weak acid. It's the same acid, isn't it? Concentration change. So we can, what this calculation tells us is this, okay,
The acid itself is strong.
acid itself, it's an acid की अपनी property. It has nothing to do with concentration or whatever. Concentration आप बढ़ा के, जैसे चीनी अपने level पे मीठी होती है. अगर आप चीनी की जगह कैंडल और whatever वो ले लें, उसकी अपनी different होगी. वो बोलता है ना कम मीठी है, just add more to it. Why are you closing your notebook? Oh, he just like, oh, okay. ठीक है. Now let's talk about weak acids. Sorry. आखिरी बात. CH3 COOH reacts with the same thing. Same reaction होगा. क्या होगा? CH3COO twice plus CO2 plus H2O. Calcium, chlorine को सिर्फ मैंने replace कर दिया. If you guys can see that, ratio भी वही रहेगा, 2:1. So if I have the same thing, if I have 1 mole of calcium carbonate, I'll need 2 moles of ethanoic acid. Now ethanoic acid, mind you, is a weak acid. So let's say we have the same value for ethanoic acid, same concentration. (0.5), the first term. One day. ठीक है. So we're using the similar concentration वाला ethanoic acid. Can you guys figure out कितना volume चाहिए होगा इसके लिए? Do the calculation for this. कितना volume चाहिए होगा? करें calculation करें यार. Kashan, open your book.
0.5.
Concentration है, हाँ? Yeah. Will it? It's a different acid.
नहीं, same ही होगा.
Yeah, same होगा. क्यों होगा? Because आप करके देखना calculation. क्योंकि calculation तो change नहीं होगी ना. Calculation तो ये C equals to N over V, where it's 0.5 equals to 2 over V. V comes out to be again same calculation job here. Because हमें 1 mole of calcium carbonate को neutralize करना है, dissolve करना है, right? तो उसके लिए कितना चाहिए होगा हमें? 2. तो ये सब क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, इतना ऐसा क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, and we're trying to solve it. So first we realize हमें 2 moles चाहिए. हाँ? हाँ, balance के. 2 लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है. तो आगे forward. Now my question is, compared to this, why is ethanoic acid a stronger, weaker base? Why is it a weak acid? Why did I call it base? Ethanoic acid में बार बार बोल रहा हूँ ना, weak acid है ना? But if you do the calculation, you don't see anything different. इसको देखें और इसको देखें. यहाँ पे अगर मैं हाँ, but like यहाँ पे तो दिख नहीं रहा ना. How is it a weak acid अगर हमें 4 decimeter cube ही चाहिए for ethanoic acid to completely do the same thing what बात मेरी समझ आ रही है? No, not really. It's the same thing. What do? This two? No, वहाँ पे भी दो हैं. That's not even doing anything. So उसको ignore. कोई मसला नहीं है. Weak क्यों है ये सारी बात है ना. अच्छा, weak इस वजह से है because hydrochloric acid जब solution में होता है, all of it is ionized, है ना? So concentration अगर आपके पास 2 moles से in that solution, तो आपके पास 2 moles of ions already present हैं उसके अंदर. तो इसकी concentration ज़्यादा है compared to ethanoic acid, which partially ionizes. है ना? तो अगर ये 2 moles हैं, तो आपके पास 0.1 moles होंगे. Let's assume at most 10% ionizes. तो उसकी H plus की concentration at that point in time कम है. But जैसे जैसे ये react होता जाएगा calcium carbonate से और H plus कम होते रहेंगे, neutralize होता होगा, more and more H plus will be produced. Does that make sense to people? Now I had a student who had a terrible time understanding this. A levels में ना, it's way more deeper. बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पे discuss हो रहा होता है. So I told them this example. Pretend there's a chessboard sort of battle going on, an actual battle. But let's say chessboard. Have you guys ever played chess or drafts or something? Checkers? Yeah. Let's say you chessboard it, and the enemy is sending 100 soldiers. Okay. And you have in reserve a lot of soldiers. 2,000, like the country, whatever. You have a lot of soldiers. Okay. Now, if they're marching in with their army, आपके जनरल साहब अगर चीफ कमांडर इन चीफ क्या करता है? बोलता है भाई 5-5 करके भेजो, हमें नहीं पता कितने लोग आए, 5-5 करके भेजो आदमियों को. They'll get destroyed, obviously. But let's say यहाँ पे जो है क्या हो रहा है? 1:1 soldiers fight each other and they die, right? तो 5-5 करके भेज रहा है. So this obviously एक एक करके वो मरते हैं, फिर दूसरा भेजता, right? This battle will probably take hours, like 5 घंटे लग गए. Slow battles, and it looks like इतनी लंबी battle हो गए, लोग थक गए, whatever. They're like यार हुआ क्या? Like बहुत मसला हो गया, right? On the other end, there's another case where the soldiers are already on the field, already prepared for any incoming attack. Okay, so maybe not 2,000, but like plenty. 300-400 soldiers पहले से खड़े हैं, and ये army दूसरी तरफ से आती है attack करने. They'll wipe them out in 5 minutes. खत्म कहानी. Same number of soldiers, strategy was a bit different. Okay, do you guys understand this? The second example is exactly how hydrochloric acid is behaving in the same solution which we carried out. Ions are already ready, all of them are there in a high concentration. आप डालते हैं फट के explosion होता है because they're higher concentration energy निकलती है. That energy also accelerates the reaction more. पागलों की तरह reaction हो रहा होता है, bubbles निकल रही हो रहा है. Classic chemistry वाले reaction होता है ना, दो चीजों को मिला वैसा हो रहा होता है. Calcium carbonate, ethanoic acid on the other hand, only बहुत वो ये वाली strategy ले रहा होता है, थोड़े-थोड़े करके दे रहा होता है. कम reaction होता है, सारे H plus ions मर जाते हैं, खत्म हो जाते हैं, neutralize हो जाता है, फिर वो H plus ions और बनाता है, फिर वो और बनाता है. तो because it partially ionizes, तो उसकी nature, because all of it will not ionize at the same time, थोड़े-थोड़े करके वो हमेशा थोड़े-थोड़े करके reaction करता है. Even though end of the day they'll consume the same amount of calcium carbonate, अगर concentration same है. But that's why it's a weak acid. Not कितना खाता है कितना वो होता है, but that reaction will always be slower and it will perform weaker. Does that make sense to people? Yes? Yes? People online, any questions? Yeah. I think it's good to visually see chemistry. but उसकी थोड़ी chemistry not too much. उसके बारे में पढ़ो तो like yeah, not directly. Yeah, there are a lot of YouTube channels which are like really good for chemistry. Just like type in chemistry education channels, especially थोड़े advanced हो जाता है, but what Crash Course है ना with John Green in it. Those channels are really good. Anyway, any questions from people? I think they're asking questions. All right, Fahad. All right, ठीक है. Chalo guys, bye bye. We'll continue this on tomorrow. Well, tomorrow. ठीक है. Bye bye. Take care. Any questions? You can stick around. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Take care. I don't think anyone has questions.